So when we dive into these things, we know that Dr. Tennant talks about voltage, nutrition, and detox. And he often says that we're constantly wearing out our new cells and have to replace them. We get new cones in our retina and replace the lining of our gut every 2 to 3 days. We replace our skin every 6 weeks and our liver every 8 weeks. And chronic disease occurs when we lose our ability to make these new healthy cells. Well, what's interesting about this is that for a long time, people thought that, well, when you're born, you have the same number of brain cells that you do, and you don't actually create any more brain cells, and you get what you get, and you continue to lose those as you move on. And what we've actually found is that you can actually have neurogenesis. Brain cells take quite a bit longer, and they need appropriate fuel to be able to grow. But the bottom line here is that we actually create new healthy cells, and we need specific nutrients to help support that. So specifically jumping in to Dr. Tennant's brain food, we talked about Restore. We know everybody that's on here knows about Restore and what that provides, but the brain needs something that's a little bit different. And the brain needs wholesome nutrients in their best format so that the brain can actually process that. And the brain specifically uses ketones and MCTs. So ketones are the first form of fuel, and then MCTs, the medium chain triglycerides, follow that up as a backup form. And the way that that works is that the brain can immediately use the ketones. The liver actually converts the MCTs to ketones, and then the brain can use that for sustained fuel. So it's kind of this ongoing process. And when we look at Dr. Tennant's brain food, it's just that. But the bottom line is that we are focusing specifically on brain nutrition with this. And then we have Dr. Tennant's Brain Food Plus. Dr. Tennant's Brain Food Plus is kind of that added bonus, right? So we have Dr. Tennant's Brain Food Plus, which combines Dr. Tennant's brain food with diatomaceous earth and humic and fulvic acids. Humic and fulvic acids help transport nutrients specifically throughout the body and specifically to every cell in the body at the molecular level. And diatomaceous earth absorbs into the bloodstream as silica, and that plays an important role in many body functions, but has a direct relationship with mineral absorption. So both of those things are very important. And so this can actually help create a longer lasting effect. So we know that diatomaceous earth and humic and fulvic acids not only improve the initial transport of those vitamins, minerals, ketones, fatty acids, which is an important thing we'll get to, throughout the body and more efficiently, but they also work together to help improve brain function at the cellular level or the molecular level.